Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to play a Rockstar game like GTA 5 or Red Dead Redemption 2 but keep getting the error that says Rockstar Games launcher failed to initialize, you are not alone, and yes, it is super frustrating. What makes it worse is that sometimes you can't even open the launcher to fix the problem, or you don't want to reinstall it just yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the easy steps that you can do right from your PC without actually downloading or launching anything. So these are the quick system level fixes that solve the most common causes of this error with no extra tools or softwares requirement. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links that are given down in the description box below. Without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to clear your Rockstar temporary files. For that, you need to press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. Now over here in this section, you need to type this command, that is %program data %/Rockstar games. Then you need to press OK, and you need to delete the launcher folder from the list. The second thing that you need to do is to simply open this dialog box again by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard, and this time you need to type %app data %, then you need to press OK. Now you need to go to your local files. So here you need to just scroll down a bit and go to locals. In locals, you will see Rockstar Games. Then you need to delete the launcher folder. Don't worry, this is not going to uninstall your games. It is just going to remove any temporary data. In the step 2, you will have to install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ redistribute tables. So sometimes missing system files can actually prevent Rockstar from launching. So you need to come over here on this page, that is Microsoft Visual C++ redistribute table page. I will put the link of it down in the description as well. So from here you need to download and install both the x86 and x64 versions. After their installation, you will need to restart your PC. So these system files are actually required by almost every game launcher including Rockstar. So you need to make sure that you have these files installed successfully in your device. The next thing that you can do is you can simply update your graphics. For that you have two options. In the first option, you will have to launch your NVIDIA app or AMD application, whichever graphic cards you have in your system. Then you need to go to drivers and check for any update. Now once you have found any update, it will look something like this, where if you click on the install button, it will ask you to install this application. So you need to click on install, and basically you need to update your drivers. In the second method, you will have to just start clicking on your right clicking on your start menu, and then go to device manager. In your device manager, you need to expand display adapters, and here you will see your graphic drivers. So you need to right click on it and click on update drivers. Now select the option of search automatically for drivers, and you can also visit to the manufacturer's official website. It can be NVIDIA, AMD or Intel, and you can install the latest driver manually from there as well. So after the successful upgradation of your graphics driver, you will also need to restart your PC again. So after restarting your PC, you need to try launching your Rockstar game launcher and see if it is now opening properly or not. Now you can even reset your network settings, because there would be some users that get this error due to the broken or unstable network settings. For that, you need to right click on your task manager and go to taskbar settings. In your taskbar settings, you will see the network and internet option. So simply click on network and internet. Over here you need to scroll down and you will see the option of network reset. So once you see that option, you need to just simply confirm that, and you need to restart your PC again. This is basically going to reinstall all of your network adapters and set the connection back to default. In this method, no more actually random blocking or any failed connections required. You can even disable your full optimizations for the game. For that, you need to go to the folder where Rockstar games are actually installed. Then you need to right click the exe file and properties and go to compatibility. From there, you need to disable the full screen optimizations and press OK. You can even try this sixth method, in which you can just run the system file in order to check that. For that, you need to press Windows plus S on your keyboard, and over here you need to simply search for cmd. So type cmd here, and this is your command prompt. So you need to run it as administrator, and you need to type this code here, that is sfc/scanno W. Then you need to press enter and wait for the scan to complete. So this step is basically going to check for any fixes or any missing or any damaged files automatically. Once it is able to find it, you need to restart your PC, and you are done with that. So these were some of the fixes that are going to help you fix this problem of fail to initialize error in Rockstar Game Launcher. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.